Hi guys, this is another short little tutorial in Adobe Premiere Pro. I'm going to show you how to make sound lower in your video and how to increase sound louder. So what you're going to want to do is highlight your video by clicking, then you right click and go to Audio Gain. Here you can type in whatever number you want, but I like to click the gray area, and then you see the two arrows. You'll drag to the left like this to make it lower, and to the right to make it louder, and you just have to play with it to your liking. You have to play it back, and you can adjust it. You can go back and back and back again as often as you want until you get it just right. And that's it. I had the other video the other day that the beginning intro was way too loud and the video was way too low. So after I got them perfect, what I did was I went to Audio Gain like I showed you, and up here, let me drag it a little bit. I wrote down this number and I titled it Intro, and then I titled the same thing for the video. I titled its number so I could get it perfect every time, and I didn't have to go and adjust it every single time. I had the perfect number now. Alright, that's it for this video. Subscribe, hit that like button, and thanks for watching, guys.